Custom Designs. Welcome to SE Custom Designs. So if you've watched some previous episodes, you know that we purchased the GRR-Ripper. So this is a really cool accessory, a jig that helps you hold down various heights and thicknesses of wood, and to make those really safe cuts while your hand is up here on a handle and the blade is down here in between. So you can use it on the table saw for making those really small cuts like this. You know, that's just not safe. You can't do that with your push sticks. And then you can bring it over here and basically you rearrange the parts in order to accommodate what it is you're trying to do. And then of course you can bring it over to the bandsaw and do resawing and things like that very safely. So as with a lot of products, they accessorize, and they're going to sell you the base unit and then add things on to it. So I did go ahead and order some things. This video is not about assembling it. It's more about just apprising you of what there is out there, and there's more. There's other things you can put onto it. So I order from Rockler. I have great success ordering from Rockler. The customer service is based here in the U.S. And when you call, you're speaking to a human being that understands and is very courteous. I've never had a bad experience with Rockler. I'm not a salesman for Rockler. I just buy a lot of stuff from them. You can see Rockler products here. I believe that is. So they're just all over my wood shop. So we ordered two things. This is the gravity heel kit. Okay, and this is the handle bridge kit. Now, oddly enough, I at first I'm like, well, maybe it's an afterthought, this add-on. But basically what it allows you to do is to extend the pressure, the downward pressure, in every direction by giving you wider levers like this. So wider base plates like this, and they screw right down there. Plus you can turn the handle like this. You can pivot it different ways. And, you know, I can see the reason for that. So, you know, maybe this guy just got, as they say, too big for its britches. So they keep adding on to it and adding on to it. For example, this is giving you a lot more stability when you're riding through. Otherwise you just have this piece here. Okay, so this is going to allow you to spread out and put more pressure evenly down onto the unit. So that's what that is. We won't bother reading all of this, but you can go ahead and look that up. GRR-Ripper handle bridge kit. Give your Ripper more comfort and control. Fits all existing Ripper models. So that's what that is. This here is really cool. This is like a rear pull block. So when you're pushing the stock through, this here is a sacrificial sort of block that drops down and will help push safely the stock through along with you. So it gives you that much more control. You have this here, this patented rubber that really grips onto the wood. And then now you have this, which is going to pull it along. And so so it includes 5 heels, 2 heels spacers, mounting hardware, auto drop down and adjustable up to 1 inch, fits any existing Ripper. So some of the examples, I know my camera isn't really that good. I usually do video with my phone, but at least this is allowing me to have more control in the shop. And hopefully I'm getting better at not moving around too much. So you know, you can see here that it's helping you, an extra hand, you know, pulling the stock through. here, and so on and so forth. So and same thing here with a router, and then with the bandsaw. So that there, that's worth it right there. When you're pushing product and you're getting, sorry, the wood, and you're pushing it through the bandsaw, and you're getting you're resawing, you're dealing with like very, very small pieces of veneer, and naturally you don't want your hands anywhere near it. At the very end, it seems like that's when I'm concerned, something is going to go wrong, and how do I keep pushing it through? Because when you stop with any of the blades, it starts burning your wood. So at any rate, that looks like that'll be sacrificed if you don't, if you have it pushed all the ways in toward the fence. So what I would be doing is pulling it in a little bit. But so they give you quite a few of them here, and this is worth it to me, to buy these aftermarket accessories. So they have a lot of products. They have more products that you can look into getting, which you can do for tapering on the table saw. At the moment, what I use for tapering is this $22 or so aluminum deal here. So this guy here, this helped me make my legs for the sewing table. And what a simple concept it is, but boy does it get the job done. That I use over here on the table saw. And you can look that video up. So I just want to remind you guys that on my YouTube channel, so we're going to do a new video once a week. And then as summertime comes, and the customer orders increase, I will stick to that one, at least a minimal of one video a week. So what we do is we stop. As you can see, I'm a very busy guy. I will stop along the journey and I will say, geez, I wonder if they've heard about this trick or that trick. Or I just learned this and I want to share it with my YouTube channel. So we want to thank the subscriber who is subscriber 163. So today is February 20th. So Google will stop monetizing folks who don't have 1,000 subscribers. So you need so much viewing time throughout the week and month, and 1,000 subscribers. So I'm not discouraged. I had only 31 subscribers before I started my campaign. Now I'm up to 163, and now we're just generically and naturally getting subscribers as they I'm pretty honored because I'm up against a lot of talented, well-deserved folks out there that put a lot of time into the wood shop and training. So that's what we want to do. And don't forget, we want your ideas. We had an idea where we could do remote training with the technology that we have. I'm a quality assurance guy for a software company, and we use that all the time to talk to our comrades all over the planet. So why not do it right here in the wood shop? So you can train your kids if they're interested, especially you homeschoolers. We'll bring you right here in the shop and we'll take your questions and so on and so forth. So there you go. Thanks for coming into the shop. Please, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to our channel, SC Custom Designs, and you can look forward to me continuing to bring in new, innovative, safe ways and innovative tools that help you get the job done. Like I said on various videos, that when I lived in Israel, we had a hammer, a red hammer. I got a birch hammer over there, a wood hammer, chisels, and a saw. So we got everything done with it. I mean, you could do a lot. Naturally, some other small tools. So, but through the years, you get and accumulate and have a lot of fun getting more stuff. But thanks for stopping by, guys. I was a little chatty. This is officially February 20, 2018, and we need to continue growing our channel. Thank you guys who have subscribed. Take care, and God bless, guys.